show a bit of the welding process. So for me, I like to hold as close as I can together and just hold the heat well over the area. Get it good and hot, and I like to go from the sides and push into the crack. So you're using some of the material from the sides to fill the crack, but the majority is just pretty well holding the heat and wiping across it. What happens if you just do a little tack, it won't melt, it won't melt together solidly. So if you just hold the heat there and wipe it back and forth, the heat will penetrate